In this video, we are looking at maxima and minima problems. So problems involving maximums and minimums. A particle moves in a straight line. The velocity, v meters per second, at time t seconds is given by v equals 4t plus 15 minus 2t squared. Find the maximum value of v and the time at which it occurs. So we've got options to find the maximum. We could complete the square, or we could use differentiation. So what do we know about a maximum and a minimum? At the maximum, the gradient is 0, and at the minimum, the gradient is also 0. So we've got a gradient of 0 at the top and a gradient of 0 at the bottom. So for any maximum or minimum, the gradient is 0. So we could differentiate it and make it equal to 0. So dv dt, so times by the power, take one off the power, is 4 minus 4t. And the maximum occurs when the gradient is 0. So 4 minus 4t equals 0. T must be 1. So the maximum occurs when t is 1. What is the velocity? So it's 4 ones plus 15, take away 2 ones. So 4 plus 15 is 19, take away 2 is 17. So 17 meters per second. So it's 17 meters per second when t equals 1. One for you to try. Give it a go. So we find a maximum or a minimum point where the gradient is equal to 0. So the gradient is dv dt, and that is 10 minus 2t. 10 minus 2t equals 0 when t is 5. So t is 5. What is the velocity? It's 10 fives. Take away 5 squared, so 50 take away 25 is 25 meters per second. So 25 meters per second when t is 5. A particle moves in a straight line. The displacement, x meters, at time t seconds is x equals t to the power of 4 minus 5t squared plus 20t. Find the minimum velocity of the particle and the minimum velocity of the particle and the time at which it occurs. So we find velocity because velocity is the rate of change of the displacement. The velocity is dx dt. So velocity is 4t cubed minus 10t plus 20. So timesing by the power, taking one off the power. And then we find the minimum point where dv dt, which is also the acceleration, dv dt is equal to 0. So dv dt is 12t squared take away 10. Where is that equal to 0? So 12t squared minus 10 equals 0. T squared will be 10 twelfths. So t will be the square root of 10 twelfths. We'll just type that into the calculator. So the square root of 10 over 12 or 5 over 6 is 0.91 seconds. What's that velocity? So put that back into v. Put our answer back into v. So 4 times 0.91 cubed minus 10 times 0.91 plus 20. So type it into the calculator. So 4 times answer cubed minus 10 times the answer plus 20 and 13.9 meters per second at t equals 0.91. One for you to try, give it a go. So again, we've got displacement and we want the minimum velocity. So velocity is dx dt, 3t squared minus 24t plus 58. And then the minimum velocity is where the gradient of the velocity, which is also the acceleration, is equal to 0. So 6t minus 24 is the gradient. So where does 6t minus 24 equal 0? That will be when t equals 4. So the time is 4 seconds. What is the velocity at that point? So 3 times 4 squared minus 24 fours plus 58. And that is 10. So 10 meters per second.